Good afternoon, everyone. Today is the 4th of April 2017. I just want to quickly, it's already after the market. Just wanted to do a brief, quick review of my trading today. As you can see, I traded about 6 times today, and my last trade was my winning trade. I normally don't like to trade more than five, but I found the opportunity. I just didn't want to back away from it. So, and I'm glad it paid off because I was actually losing on my fifth trade. I think I must have lost not all of them, but some. Sorry. And the key to it was you guys gotta watch this 9:30 move. Something about this. It carried over from last week. If you just even if you pull the 10-minute chart, you can see there's mostly consolidation throughout the day, and then there's just that one oomph. It just goes up, and then that was it. That was the end of the run. So if you notice, most of the runs I think was taking place at, I think I mentioned this on my last video. Most of the run was happening at 9:30, 9 o'clock. I mean, around 9 o'clock I started watching the market, but unfortunately I got really, I think part of it was really my patience got tested very well today. As you can see, this was the price action formation this morning. You got this, I think they call this megaphone, something to that effect, but basically price is starting to open up. And then as you can see, I got jigged out on most of my trades today. Just didn't kind of work out well, and I played this whole trend price action, and I was able to profit on one. I think this one was a winner right here. Entered at 62 short and then got it at 53. So sorry guys, forgot where I left off. I think I was talking about some wins and more losses today. So I think out of 6 trades, I might have gotten 2 winners, which is one is this one, and then well, anyways, I'm not gonna sit here and try to figure out. Um, so this was the price action this morning. That's the one that I struggled with. Yeah, we struggled with, and the only thing that gave me the confidence to take the trade, to take it long, was these. I mean, at the time it was, it was let me see. At the time it was like this, right? So I was like, okay, I'm going short, but this thing kind of did this double top, and then watch. I, I think it was this bar right here that I saw transaction, just literally my dome. If you were watching today's price action, you remember this. This price movement right here gave me the confidence to take the long position. And actually, the reason why I didn't have the video is I just kind of I put in the position and I went to work. So at this point, I was actually losing. I think somewhere, let's see, 400. So I was actually down 3 ticks, $60. So and then I put in. I knew it was gonna be. I just put in the trade there because I had a feeling that it was gonna consolidate here or around this area and use this as support. So, and I placed my stop like right there at 50 because, like I mentioned, price wise, watching the dome, this is where it got interesting, to say the least. So anyways, I don't have a live video, and I apologize for that, but really I was already at work. As soon as I put this on, I kind of just walked away, and I was able to get filled uh, this price right here. So anyhow, like I said, it seems like the move is happening like around 9:30, and if you look at my trades, they're so close to each other, and then I didn't trade for a while afterwards, and then when I saw this move, I knew it was time to get in. So I was able to stay green today. Anyways, that's it for me. That's all I really wanted to talk about. Watch the bullish move in crude. If you look at, I can even look at. There's no daily for this one, but we'll just. I mean, weekly. But yeah, it looked like a double bottom right there. And that's what I was thinking short today, because it was trying to test this low and it just won't go any lower. And actually there was a 57 drop right here. There was huge amount of selling. I'm talking about market order, because you could just see it jumped. This thing kind of spiked up and then started shooting down. So that's why I was wanted to or yeah, I was that's why I was shorting here. So um, so for this week coming, I think it's gonna be gimme. Tomorrow is gonna be long. So but I don't have a magic crystal ball. So we gotta watch pure price action here. I mean, I'm thinking this thing is gonna head. I mean, this thing has been. So let me just put a box here. This box, this price level, you can almost ignore that just because it's been used and abused. So if anything, if there's any level, that's probably right here at 53, $54 around this area right here. But rest assured, I think it's going to get this $55 level is going to get tested and it's going to make new highs here. So, but like I said, I don't have a magic crystal ball. It has to clear this 53.25-ish area. Let me put a box in there too as well. Actually, put a circle there. So he has to clear that area right here for it to make new highs or whatever. And I mean, actually, even if it goes to $60, it would actually be good. So, anyways, that's it for me today. Appreciate you taking the time watching the video. If you have any questions, just feel free to stop by. You know where to find me. And you know, do me a favor, if you're learning something out of my video, click that thumbs up button, surely, or any way that you can help promote my channel. I'll certainly appreciate it. So until then, I'll see y'all on the next video. Watch that 9:30, guys. I think most of the, I mean, last week it was the same way, and it's no different this week is what it seems like. And I can actually let's go back here. You see this whole big, oh man, see this whole one big leg down move. If you look at this corner right here for the time, that's like 9:30 is where it spiked up and then it just came down. So is that magic? No, it's not. It's probably, you know, they probably have a set amount of time to do transaction volume wise, and when they're done, then they'll actually make the move. So you also got to watch how much transaction is being done. Um, anyways, all right, guys. Well, that's all I really got right now. Um, until then, I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.